Hi everyone, welcome back to our Redux Toolkit from Scratch course. So in this video, we're gonna teach you how to delete product in dashboard. Without wasting time, let's begin. Now in our code editor, let's go to admin folder. Let's create a new page. Let's name it list product.js. Okay, and type RAFCE to create the now function. Okay, remove this, add fragment. For now, let's add h1 list of products and save. Now let's go to app.js. Here we have all our routes. So let's duplicate this one. And remember, all these routes related to admin page should be protected. So when we get there, I will show you how to do this. But for now, let's leave it like so. And this will be products. And I need to bring my new page, um, which is list product. As you can see, it shows press tab and auto import it. And let's save. So here we fix a typo, so it should be an camel case. Okay, and this is our route. And now let's verify in our browser. Okay, and let's add our route. So we should visit this route. Okay, admin/products, and as you can see, our route is working. From now, what I'm gonna do, I will display all the products in this dashboard page, and after that, add the button when it's triggered to delete any product with the help of Redux Toolkit. To save you time, what I'm gonna do, since I already displayed products in the home page, okay, I will copy all of these because this is the beauty of Redux Toolkit, is that you don't need to write again the code. And now let's go to list and paste everything here. So after that, we need to bring page. We need to bring I don't need card because we use table, but let's copy all of these and remove what we don't need if necessary. Okay, and now we should fix the path. From now, I will create a container. Okay, and I will bring this inside. Okay, and after that, I will paste a table, put subtable, and class is a reserved keyword. Placed by class name. Okay, and what I have name, have image, I have price, the last one, I have category. Okay, like so, and I will loop. So I don't need um, these two line. Okay, and save. Another thing you can do, you can copy everything from here in the home page and go to list of product dashboard, and I'm gonna paste everything here in curly braces. Okay, okay, and this one, get this inside, and from now let's add product name. Okay, so first go product name, the second name, the third um, page. I will copy everything from here. Uh, so and adding in, okay, and in the alt put and after that in the price, let's copy this for the off price, and also so I should duplicate this and category this one, and after that I can delete. Okay, this will be the ID. We could copy this, paste here, ID. Now I should the image. Um, let's add word 50 pixels. Save. And now let's give it a try. And now in our code editor, as you can see, we have in this dashboard page, we have all of our products: name, image, price, category. But I will make the image smaller. I will add it, let's say, width, let's say 80 pixels. Okay, and that's better. We have added another column name action. Okay, and we add an icon. Okay, so let's take a look. And as you can see in the screen, so I have this new column, and this will be the button to delete. Now let's create product delete reducer. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this, and this, let name it product delete reducer. But before that, let me create the constants. Okay, this is the constants. It requires fail, reset, and save. And now let's bring these constants. Okay, and let's correct. From now, I will have an empty object, and this I mean, for the request, I will have only loading through. Okay, I don't have products. Okay, and this I will have only success through. In the fail, loading false. Okay, error action the payload. In the product reset, I will return empty object, and default will return state. Where's the first one? And paste here. Okay, so let's bring it. Request and press tab. Okay, and after that, I'm gonna copy this for the success. Success. Okay, it will be auto imported after we press tab on the keyboard. And let me do this one. This one will be fail. Should appear, press tab. It should be auto imported, and the reset case. Okay, delete reset and press tab. Save. Okay. After this step, let's bring product delete reducer in our store. So go to store, get this line, add comma here, um, paste it here. This one, let's name it delete product. Now we need to bring product delete reducer here. Reduce, see here, and as you can see, save. That's it. To finish the last part of the configuration, add a delete action. Okay, so delete product, and this will be product ID, and I need this anymore. The endpoint I will need to add backtick. So remove it here. Backtick, paste. Okay, forward slash vi forward slash delete, and this will be um, string and plus product ID here. Okay, so this will be delete. And let me bring uh, my constants here. Press and access. Delete. Fail. I think it should be saved. Now, finally, to finish this lesson, so what we have done, so we have this method delete single product, okay, and if just confirm, are you sure to delete, and we dispatch the delete product action. Okay, so this delete product, so you see we see an ID, and let's go to the bottom. As you can see here, delete single product, receive the ID product that ID. Okay, so this is the ID we have here. Here we receive ID here. Okay, and now if we want to give a try, uh, here, and let's close this. Okay, so let's delete let's say this one. Yeah, are you sure? So it's not update immediately, but we can try to fix that in the next video. As you can see, it's gone. Okay. So that's it, guys and girls. So if you have question, please drop it in the comment section. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to share with your friends so that more people can watch the video. For now, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.